Hey, thanks for clicking on today's video. Stay tuned to the end and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day. So what are you going to be working on today, John?
World peace.
Good luck with that.
Got a lot of ordering to do today. We got a lot of coding we got to get in. We've gotten a little bit backed up on projects that Zach is at the other shop working on. Just doing a bunch of running around trying to get projects done. We're doing $500,000 little small projects here at the new shop so that once the electric's finally done, we can just really hit the ground running. America.
So what are you working on?
Well, I have this artwork that we had a lady come to training. Her name was Lindsay Menz, and she does this artwork. I absolutely loved it. So I bought 3 paintings from her, and then they sat in my house for a year. So I thought, I'm bringing them down here because I really love them and they actually look really good in here. So let's go over here and look at one of them. So anyways, this is one of them, and so I already have this one hung, but the problem is the other ones I'm going to hang this way, so I had to take the things out of the back and redo them. So after I finish that, I'll show you what they look like on the wall because they're really cute. The other thing I'm working on is we've been messing with the laser area 5 times over, so let's go to the laser area and I'll show you what I've been doing that. So I don't know how far we got showing you any of this laser stuff, but what we ended up doing, and this was really, really good, and it's from a Facebook group that I'm on for laser stuff. If you look up here, we have the fans for the lasers. So they are actually dust collectors from Harbor Freight. We bought the dust collectors, took the fans out of them, and we used those. So we have hard ducting running up the wall here, and they go into, each has their own fan, and then they combine and they duct out the building. We bought an extra one because our plan is to buy another big CO2 laser, like a 4-foot by 3-foot bed laser. So we bought an extra one because the problem was that we had to drive 2 hours just to find these fans. We were literally calling stores all over the place and finally found some fans to put in because COVID has screwed everything up. So anyway, so we got these done and that's great, except I've moved this fiber laser 5 times now trying to figure out how can I do it, which is going to be the best way without people running into it, people messing with it, getting the cords to the computer. So I think we finally got this. I mean, I know it looks like a mess, but today it'll get all cleaned up and I'll calibrate these and get them all going. We have been actually using the CO2, and I'll tell you what, this fan is so powerful that the first time we turned it on, we kept hearing blink, 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 and we're like, what in the world is that? Well, come to find out the fan was so powerful that it was sucking up Mylar pieces. Let's see if there's any in here. These little Mylar pieces that were in the bottom, it was literally sucking it up and out. So I said, my God, it'd be funny to go outside and look and see if there's confetti all over the ground from the fan blowing out the Mylar. So we're going to get this set up today, get the pictures. I've been spending the morning kind of cleaning stuff up. That we've got a lot of little projects. One of the projects Whitmore's working on besides this video is just cleaning up our shipping area. We've got materials and boxes and just trying to kind of organize all of that. And then I'll let you go see what Andrew's doing because he's got some really, really cool projects going on. Take it away, Andrew.
So what do you got going on here, Andrew?
So, just making a podcast table. Got to playing with the laser yesterday, and Laura had some good ideas, and so we took everybody's name and had them sign their name. This is John as Supreme Commander, Zach, Whitmore, Laura, me, and Bailey, and then we have our logo that we burnt in, and we're gonna fill all this in with some epoxy and some color to kind of bring it all out, and then all the little cracks and holes in here will kind of bring out too. So it's been a fun project, and I've got a second one out there I'm doing, but yeah, we'll show you guys when we're done.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and check us out at BransonCerakote.com for your Cerakote laser and stencil needs. Have a great day.